Good morning, students. As per your textbook, in multiplication of integers, this is exercise 1b. Now, this is the first main, which is fill in the blanks. Just you have to multiply the given two integers. The first number, which is 15 into minus 9. So, first you have to multiply the signs, which is plus into minus is equal to minus, and then multiply the numbers. 15 9s are 135. So now coming to the first problem here, observe here how to do this again. 15 plus 15 into minus 9. It's very easy. First you have to multiply the signs here. So this is plus, this is minus, plus into minus, minus. 15 9s are 135 you are writing here. Okay, so next going to the second problem here. 116 minus 116 into 0, it's 0 only. You know that anything if you multiply with 0, you will get 0. It's very easy. Next going to the third problem. 43 into minus 117. See, 43 into or plus 43 into minus 117 is equal to dash into 43. Here without doing any multiplication, you can write this by using the properties of multiplications here. Which property you can use here? Property of commutative property, which is a into b is equal to b into a. You know that you can change the order of the multiplication of integers. You can, in the multiplication of integers, we can change the order of the numbers. So a into b is equal to b into a. So you can write it as plus 43 into minus 117 as minus 117 into plus 43. So this is the answer for this. So next, going to the next problem. Fourth is 919 into minus 1. 999 into minus 1. Okay. So how to do this? Just you multiply the signs first. This is plus 999. This is minus 1. So now plus into minus, minus 999 into 1, 999. This is minus 999. Next, fifth one. Here this is important problem, which is minus 1 we are multiplying 4 times. See here, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So here you have to remember that if you want to multiply even number of negative numbers, you will get always plus sign here. If you multiply even number of negative numbers, always you will get plus sign in front of the answer, and just you write 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1 1s are 1 only here. Okay. For example, if this multiplication is like this, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Here observe here how many number of ones here? 3 numbers, which is odd number. If you want to multiply odd number of negative numbers, you have to write minus sign in front of the answer. It's very easy. So now it is minus 1. It is minus 1. For example, it is minus 1 into up to so on, some 79 times is there. 79 is what here? What is the 79? 79 is the odd number. So you are multiplying minus 1 odd number of times. So you will get minus 1 only. Here also minus 1. So like that you can use this concept to multiply any number of numbers. So minus 1, if you are multiplying 4 times, means 4 is the even number. So you are getting plus 1 here. So if you are multiplying minus 1 into 100 times, 100 is the even number. So then also you will get plus 1 only. So remember this to do this type of problems. So next, going to the sixth problem, which is minus 60 plus 3 minus 60 plus 3 into minus 14, minus 60 plus 3 into minus 14. So this you can write directly. This minus 60 plus 3 means you are adding two numbers that are having different signs, which is minus 60 plus 3. So means you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, which is 57, and put the sign which is in front of the bigger number, which is minus 57. So this is minus 57 into minus 14. So now what you have to do? First multiply the signs. Minus into minus plus 57 into 14. How much? 798. 798. So plus 798. Okay. So next, going to the second problem, which is evaluate. Second problem, going to the evaluation. So what is the first problem here? 4 into minus 7 into minus 3. So I will do this here. 4 into minus 7 into minus 3. So here evaluate means here also you have to do the multiplication, because the sign is in between is into here. So this is plus 4. If there is no sign is given means this is plus 4. So first you take the first two numbers. So plus 4 into minus 7 is plus into minus, minus 4 7 is 28. This is minus 28 into minus 3. So now it is again minus 28 into minus 3 means first multiply the signs. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Next 28 into 3. 3 8s are 84. So plus 84 is the answer. So next, going to the next problem, 15 into minus 10 into 16. 15 into minus 10 into 16. 15 into minus 10 into 16, which is equal to, so first multiply the first two numbers, which is plus into minus, minus 15 tens are 150, minus 150 into 16. So by multiplying this, this is minus 150, this is plus 16. So first multiply the signs. Minus into plus, minus 150 into plus 16, which is equal to minus 2400. Minus 2400. So next one, 83 into 1 into 0. It's very easy. You can tell directly also. 83 into 1 into 0. So 83 into 1 is equal to 83. 83 into 0 is equal to 0. So answer is 0 only. Simple. Next, minus 117 into plus 117 into minus 10. Minus 117 into plus 117 into 10. So here first you multiply these two numbers. So this is minus into plus, minus 117 into 117 is 13,689. This is 13,689 up to here into minus 10. So now again multiply the signs here. Minus into minus, plus 13,689. Okay. Next, going to the fifth problem, which is 16 into minus 17 into 7. 16 into minus 17 into 7. So first multiply the first two numbers. So plus into minus, minus 16 into 17. So which is 272 into again 7 into 7, which is 1904, which is minus 1904 is the answer. 1904. So next, going to the sixth problem, 4 into 7 into 3. It's very simple problem, you know. 4 into 7 into 3, sixth problem. All are positive numbers only. So 4 7s are 28 into 3. Again multiply this. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 84. So plus 84 is the answer. So next, going to the third problem. Find the product of given numbers using convenient grouping. Find the product of given numbers using the convenient grouping means here you may use the properties or any multiplicative properties you can use. So first problem is minus 30 into 6 into minus 5. The first problem is minus 30 into 6 into minus 5. Into minus 5. So here you can first you take minus 30 as it is here, and if you observe here 6 5s are also 30. That's why I am taking by convenience I am taking these two numbers first here, minus 30, which is plus 6 into minus 5 is equal again minus 30. And now we can write this is minus into minus plus 30 30s are 900 you can write. So this is a convenient way to multiply this. We can multiply first 30 into 6 and then with 5 also, but first multiplying 6 5 are 30, we can multiply these two numbers conveniently. That's why this is the convenient way to multiply these two numbers. So next, second one, minus 4 into minus 1 into 75 into minus 25. 25 into minus 25. Observe here, if you multiply first two numbers, you will get 4. So first we do like this. So minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4 here into 75 into minus 25. And we know that 25 4s are 100. So multiplying any number with 100 is easy for us. So first you multiply 25 and 4 here. So now I am taking plus 4 into minus 25 is plus into minus, minus 4 25s are 100 here, and then multiplying with 75. So now it is easy for us. So minus into plus minus, 75 into 100, 7500. So like this is the convenient way to multiply the given integers. So next, third problem, which is 8 into 135 into minus 125. 8 into 135 into minus 125. Here we have to know about the some facts, that is 125 8s are how much? 125 8s are 1000. So this we have to know before going to this. So convenient way is what here, first you have to multiply 8 into 125. So 8 into minus 125 into 135 we will write first here in this first step. So here it is plus 8 minus 128 means plus into minus minus 1000. So minus 1000 into 135. So multiplying 1000 with 135 is very easy. So this is minus 135,000, which is minus 1,35,000. This is the convenient way for doing this problem. So next problem is minus 200 into 15 into minus 5 into 10. So now what you have to do here first, observe. So first multiplying 200 with 5 is easy for us. So minus 200 into minus 5, minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10. So 1000 we will get here plus 1000 into 50 into 10 into 15 into 10. So now it is 1000 into 15 into 10 is how much? 150. So multiply again this with 1000. So 150,000, 150,000, which is 1 lakh plus 1,50,000. So this is the convenient way to multiply this problem. So next, going to the fourth one, find the product using suitable property. So here we are using the properties. The previous one just we have conveniently multiplied by taking any order of the numbers. So next one, the fourth one, first is minus 12, we have to multiply with 5 plus 9. Minus 12 have to multiply with 5 plus 9. Observe here which property is this. This is the distributive property of multiplication over addition, because plus is there in between. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So what is the property here? First you let me remind this, a into b plus c is equal to, first multiply the first two numbers, a into b, put it in the bracket, and what is the middle symbol here? Plus 1 plus, next again multiply with the second number, a into c. So a into b plus c you can write as a into b plus a into c. So like this you have to distribute these numbers. So here a is what here? Minus 12, b is 5 here, c is 9. So now you can write minus 12 into 5 plus 9 as a into b, means minus 12 into 5, the first bracket, plus again a into c, which is minus 12 into 9. So first bracket is minus 12 into 5 is 12 5 is 60, minus 60 here, plus minus 108, 12 9 is 108. So now here it is addition only. So minus 60 minus 108, you are adding two numbers which are having the same sign. So add, so that is 168, and put the sign which is common to both, which is minus. So 168. Here we are using which property? Multiplication over addition, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Next, second one, which is 632 into 2 plus minus 98 into minus 632. Minus 98 minus 632. So now this is how it wrote. So this is written in the form of, observe here again, minus 632 into 2 plus 632 into 98. We can common 632 in the both the numbers. So take the first two numbers together here. So here take the second numbers together here. Now write the first two numbers as it is, 632 into 2 plus into, if you observe here, if you multiply the signs here, minus into minus, plus only. So that's why you can write again this as 632 into 98. By changing the order I am writing here 632 into 98, but multiplying minus into minus you will get plus only. That's why I am writing only positive numbers here. Observe here, this is a into b into a into c form, which is observed here in the above problem. There is a problem a into b plus a into c. How can you write this? A into b plus c. So reversely this we can write it as a into b plus c. Here what is a here? 632. A into, what is b here? I am taking this 2 as b and c as 98. So a into b plus c I am writing. So now it is 632 into 2 plus 98 is 100. Now you can multiply this easily, which is 63200. It is 63,200. So this is the problem. So next 173 into minus 35 plus of minus 173 into 65. How can you write this problem? Observe here first in the screen, you see 173 into minus 35 plus 173 into minus 1 into 65 I am writing. I am taking minus 1 outside here. Minus 173 you can write it as 173 into minus 1. In the next step I am writing here 173 into minus 35 and minus 1 I am multiplying with 65. So this will become as 173 into minus 65. Observe here, this is again the distributive property of over addition, distributive property of multiplication over addition, because this is again a into b plus a into c form, a into b plus a into c. Now you can write it as a into b plus c. So what is a here? 173 into b is minus 35, c is minus 65. So minus 35 plus of minus 65 you can write it as minus 100. So by multiplying this you will get minus 17,300. So this is also using distributive property over addition. So next going to fourth problem in this, which is 79 into minus 99 into minus 79. 79 into minus 99 into 79 into minus 99 plus 7 plus of minus 9 minus 79. We have observed here, this is plus of minus 79. So how can write this? Observe here, this is 79 into minus 99. This 79 I am writing it as 79 into minus 1. 79 into minus 1. Observe this again converted into a into b plus a into c form, which is distributive property of multiplication over addition. So here this is a, this is b, this is a again, this is c. Next a into b plus c form you can write. So a is 79 into b plus c is minus 99 plus minus 1. So minus 99 plus minus 1 is minus 100. So multiplying this you will get minus 7,900. Next, observe here fifth one, 3,455 into 192 minus 455 into 192. So first I am writing 192 by changing the order here. 192 into 3,455 minus again 192 into 455. I am taking 192 as common here as a into b minus a into c. This is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction form. A into b minus a into c. So a into b minus c. What is b here? 3,455. C is 455. So a into b minus c form. So subtracting this you will get 3,000. So by multiplying 192 with 3,000 you will get 5,76,000. So next going to the sixth one, minus 95 into 2 minus of minus 95 into minus 98. So again it is A into B minus A into C form. So here A into B minus A into C, which is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So here we can write it as A into B minus C. What is A here? Minus 95. B is 2 and C is minus 98. So minus 95 into 2 minus of minus 98. So which is minus 95 into, here we can write the subtraction as addition, which is 2 plus of plus 98. So 2 plus 98 is 100. So multiplying minus 95 with 100, you will get minus 9,500. Okay. So in the next section, I will continue the word problems in this exercise. Okay, good day all of you.